thank you for tuning in again for one of my blogs. I'm Ellicia from Dance With Me Online. Today guys, I'm going to take you through my ultimate dancer's warm-up. So this you can do no matter what style of dance you're about to do, guys. This will help you get those bodies nice and warmed up. So guys, just follow along and let's get started. Alrighty guys, we are getting started. Here we go. Let's start with warming up our necks. Side to side. That's it, down and up. Good. Half circle. And stretch the neck. Good guys. Alright, let's go with the upper body. So, bringing the shoulders into it now. That's it. Now we're going to high release. Rolling down, rolling up. One more, guys. All right, shoulders. Here we go. Rolling back, forward, other shoulder. That's it. Rolling both. Roll. And bounce the legs, warming up those legs. Good. All right, side to side shoulder. 1, 2. Transfer the weight, guys. Elbows now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Shoulders. Good. Let's warm up the rib cage. Side, center, side, center. That's it. Stretch. Let's go fast, guys. Here we go. And fast. That's it. Just the rib cage. Good. Forward and back. Forward, in, back, center, forward. That's it, guys. Let's go fast. Here we go. Pump it out. Whoa, that's it. Good. Chest, in, chest. Let's go around in a circle, guys. That's it. All 4 points. Forward, side, back, side, forward. That's it. Other way. That's it, guys. Stretch it out. Alright, hips tight. Let's rotate. Circles to the right. Good. Other way. Circles. Circles. Transfer the weight on the ball of the foot to get that range. Good. Again. Circle. Other side. Alright guys, watching this, we're going to plie down, plie, and in, rotate. Good, plie, and in, rotate. One more time guys, plie, in, round. Good, plie, in. Good guys, let's plie it out. And stretch, down, and stretch. Knees over the toes, nice and wide guys, yeah? Hold your core, pelvis is straight, not bum back. I'm dead set straight, guys. That's it. Let's stay down. Make those thighs burn, guys. Let's rock side to side. Knees over toes, keep pressing out, guys. That's it. Walk the feet in. We're going to go up and down, guys. Up, down. Hold your core, wrap in your glutes. Hold it nice and tall through the roof. That's it. Guys, that is your warm-up. See you guys really soon. Check out our other videos, dancewithmeonline.com. See you soon.